Gizzle Rollin.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, Gizzle skate.
We got Jumpman J out here. What's down with it?
Nigga that do all the paint but won't paint. How that shit go?
No, man.
I just nigga, bro, how much you charge for the film, man? I buy the film. Scene.
Left his ass on red, goddamn. But we got Nick out here too. What up, Nick?
Hey, you got your boy Tacky Rudy.
Oh, Tacky Rudy.
Tacky,
He ain't putting that shit on there, but it's all good.
Hey, I ain't putting on.
Drip check. How much for the shirt?
My old lady shirt.
Okay, free. Well, stolen.
Hey,
stolen.
Old lady pants.
Okay, stolen.
I just
stolen.
Hey, I just fuck them up with hoes.
Okay, stolen. Oh, Boosie badass. What's up, gangster? What up, gangster? Look, we out here. He tatted the fuck up. You see Boosie tatted the fuck up. Man, y'all see that shit, man? This garbage ass nigga back here. Oh my f***ing God. I hate this bitch. I hate this bitch. But look, his review coming soon too. I ain't to drop boosters yet or unks yet. But look.
I had to finally put my controller on.
Hey, Rudy done finally put on his arms and his loaded struts. Finally. Check him out, Boost. How them angles look?
Hey, catch me in that C, that rack, that natchez, fuck by there.
I seen him in a gay man's club.
I would show you my We finna head to the store. We rolling.
Cinco de Mayo. Wait. Before we do that, Cinco de Mayo Sunday, Super Sunday, Team Pisces is going down today.
And it's going down Future and Cap Crew today.
Yes, sir.
My Mexican name for the day, no disrespect, Hacho Nino.
Boy, if you don't get
My name Bruto. So, hey, this right here is Hernando Sanchez right here. Nikiana Corrando. Nikiana Corrando.
Bitch, think of a name
right here. Buciano Hernandez. So, look, y'all see Tootie, wet as a bit. Nick garbage ass.
We Mexicans. The only reason we got all these nice trucks that we smuggling that dope.
No, we not. You too, no, we not.
We smuggling dope.
Officers, no, we not. We do not condone no drugs or violence.
20 minutes later.
What's wrong with this nigga right here? Say what?
His life going down the drain.
Where the kitty cat?
He say he sold it. He said he gonna level it. He said he gonna level the cat eye and sell it.
You bullshit.
Garbage. Garbage.
I don't do that church shit no more.
I got $3,500.
3,500.
You wanna buy my rim for $3,500? You wanna buy my rim for
Kids,
$3,500?
don't do crack. What happened? I'm late. Don't do drugs anymore. You know how your mama walked in on you in the bathroom?
And you know how your daddy dropped you on your head as a child?
You know how I just dropped you on your head?
You know how I put my dick across your head? No.
Boosie, what you over here doing? What you over here doing? You see it? Yeah. Filling that bitch up. Today's video is sponsored by who? Corona Bucket Extra, goddamn. This right here is a pre-scraping look. We missing 3, 4 of them. 3? Mike, Kale, Frog, Richard Jr., Taco, 5.
Hey, that nigga Jay say why the trucks he just stained today.
He said he was gonna spin him tonight. Hey, that's true or what?
What?
You gonna still spin him tonight or what?
I'ma slide with this.
There's how much cap going on right now. There's how much cap. There's how much cap going on right now. There's how much cap.
He can't even see.
Back in the days, why I miss my nigga Randy. He need to come back and start coming back around. Why Randy and B. John used to burn them bitches out everywhere.
Yeah.
All of them looking for transmissions.
He ain't lying. Hey, we gotta show him the truck I just bought.
Uh-oh. Let me see something.
Yeah, nigga was behind on their child support, so I helped him out. I bought it and built it, you heard me? Yeah, this a 2015 GMC Sierra.
Okay.
It's not the luxury version.
Oh, but Sierra version.
Yeah, it's just the, base model. I might hit it from a steal off a nigga for like 20 bands.
Crank your truck up. I want
Hey,
to see what got exhaust on.
he got hold on, man.
Hey,
That boy hatch. Look, that ain't his shit. That's my shit. He got a puss ass road country live on as a control. It's sitting on
18s by 14s. Sitting on 22-inch tires.
Fuck, it's a bumper set.
What the fuck that nigga said? Nigga said about 14.
So, how you feel about everybody on your ass today?
Man, nigga.
Hey, custom paint by Hatch, powder coat by Hatch. I powder coated it.
Okay.
I do powder coats. How let me
Stop the cap.
I installed the whole lift.
Crew installed the whole lift.
Man, yeah.
Audio by Word in the Audio.
No, they ain't worried audio. I don't know what audio that is.
Oh, wait.
Hey, this nautical audio.
Hey, this word in the audio.
Oh shit!
Oh no, hell no. Come on in here. Come on in here. All the way over to the other side.
Oh, hey, is it Scar? It's Scar, Nick.
Go look at the others.
Come a little closer.
Hold up.
Shit.
Let me see.
The fuck is that? Look at this. Just look at it. Everywhere we go, it's a custom hole to be fucked. It's a custom hole.
Okay, hold on, wait. You got a hole right here.
Here, recombing that bitch.
And you got a hole back here. Do your ritual hat.
Hey.
Let's go over there by Super Sun. Let's have some fun today. Cinco de Mayo. Super. Oh, Fade. Let the car wash, man. Hey, everything licked. Everything out here was licked by Fade today. Hey, let them know, Fade. Everything was licked by Ghost Fade today. Yes, sir. Everything licked by Fade today.
Wildlife came on the scene.
Yes, sir. My dog Zoe out there, Bill. You know how my dog do it. Behind them 5% tents. You know how he do it. Smoking Joe. Natty Daddies in his hand.
Hey, we don't smoke dope, we drink beer.
Like a dog, like a fucking dog, bro. DJ Randall, bitch, what's up?
Hey, you know I'm on that drunk man shit. You know I'm on that drunk man shit. You know that? Niggas know that. Niggas know.
What's your big brother?
Yes, sir. You already know. Backyard audio, man. Hey, Gizzle Rollin, man. Get my dog shit on there right quick.
Oh, yeah.
Mercy Beats, nigga.
So why is called backyard audio?
They do it in the fucking backyard. Man, what up, my nigga? Where the fuck you been at, man? I ain't saw you in a minute. Where you been at, bro?
No, I still got my other videos on there.
Huh?
Still got my other videos on there.
Yeah, they on there. You still on now? Hold up, wait.
Gizzle Rollin.
Yeah.
Gizzle flow.
He
ain't rolling no more.
He floats. Come on, man. What he is? Yeah.
Gizzle Rollin.
Yes, sir.
Number one in the nation.
Yes, sir.
I know that. Hold up. Hey, free Nook, man.
Free Nook, man.
Any mother.
10 years ain't nothing, man.
Ain't nothing.
10 years ain't
I'll
nothing.
be home in 6.
Yes, sir. No, put it on, bitch. No, bitch. Nah.
Juvie, hold up.
Juvie, nah.
Your ass
Fuck
is
that.
next, though.
No, Juvie, hold up. I got you. Bitch, I'm on your ass. Frying pan, built
French
I'm
still
on your
know
ass.
that?
You ugly ass nigga. Boy, you slim as fuck.
Look.
Light pole built ass, boy.
What?
Oh, NBA broke boy ass.
Oh, look. What the fuck is them, nigga? Ugly ass nigga. You know what you looking like? This, nigga.
That's called
Slim
a
as fuck. No. Fuck
Be
the
careful
brand.
with those.
He's skinny. See this nigga right here, bro. If a nigga lay a finger on this my blood and this brother right here. Y'all saw him. Now I'ma fire your ass up.
hit that rail.
Fire your ass up. We out here. Say what's down to the floor, man. Yeah.
Hey,
Tap your shit. Like you always do. Tap your shit.
And press that post notification because if you ain't, we don't fuck with you.
Smoke that too.
Fuck you too.
Out here.
We gonna raffle this rig off. I know y'all ain't know. $10 ain't gonna get it, cuz.
How much per ticket?
It's gonna be $1,000 a ticket.
Okay.
And we got 200 tickets.
The music included?
Everything must go.
Everything must go.
$1,000 a ticket.
That is a cash out card. That's a region. Cash out. Cash out.
Let's
I would
get
thank
it.
everybody for coming out and
Hey, keep
some more of them
supporting.
salt ass crawfish over there too. Let's go, man.
Yeah, they only sold it because they came from Lake Mary, y'all. You better run. May 28th, we gonna swap this shit up, cause at Gold and DCI say why we always do it on the same shift, man. So we got to swap this shit up. We gonna show everybody some love out here. If y'all continue to have fun, no bullshit, we gonna continue to do it. Team Pisces, baby.
When nigga drop a diss, I drop a hit right on his mouth. They try to sit him down, he got right back out on his ground. Bring that shit and get it all back. I want all that. Bring that shit and get it all back. I want all that. Fuck a good and then I fall back. I want all that.
Team Pisces. Oh shit.
I never fall back. I want all that. And a simple gun. Never been suck my dick. That shit ain't sticky in the jar. Doing numbers, making commas bad. Get it all back. I want all that. I want all that. Never fall back. I want all that. Bring that shit and get it all back. Good down in the clutch, now they gotta stand on it. All the way, you can't fuck with me. Take it through, bitch. Take it through, bitch. Take it through, bitch.
You ain't gotta fuck with me. Clown ass nigga, I'm the ghost.
Do me wrong, baby. Do me wrong, baby. Do me wrong, baby. I don't know how to act. Do me wrong, baby. 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 I don't know how to act. Do me wrong, baby. Do me wrong, baby. Do me wrong, baby.
Jiggers, all them jiggers, power for me and my niggas going hard, what you mean?
Nigga, yeah! Say no way around! Rules to the fire! And I'm with my niggas full of liquor!
Show them truths, nigga! Show them truths, nigga! Yeah!
Now my eyes wide and my like an 18-wheel.
Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop,
Yes, sir!
don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, check out my
Shut up there! Shut up there!
Go on that bit to Gizzle. Y'all go support,
Yeah.
follow, and go subscribe. It's live in that woo, baby.
Hey, what this, man?
Hey y'all, this my
Hey,
cousin.
real talk. She ain't on shit, but me,
No.
me personally,
Yeah.
I'm that dude.
Come on. Wait.
You know what it is, man? We had a nice night at Pisces. Fuck. I'm team silent. Man, we had a wonderful time out here. I thought you was in your truck, bro.
No, just because your truck ain't got remote.
Oh!
My nigga,
Damn!
where your wheel like said?
Damn!
Nigga, you got Forgiato, but your shit.
Oh, where your
Damn!
cross member at?
Damn!
Yours.
Damn!
No, it's not.
Hey,
Don't lie to yourself. Don't lie to yourself.
If-
can.
Damn!
Hey,
Damn!
watch what you finna say. I got Forgiato.
Nigga, if I ain't had
I
that,
ain't gotta say that.
hey,
Now your shit is
hey, hey.
I ain't gotta say that. I tell you what, we finna line them up in race.
What you say?
We finna line them up in race.
Put that 6'2" on your ass.
Hey, I'm gonna show you what a real 6'2" look like.
Y'all niggas for real or what? Who y'all
I'm with
got?
my brother, bitch.
Okay. Who you got?
I got Rudy shit.
You got Rudy? Who you got?
Rude crew.
Y'all for real though?
I'm for real.
Seriously?
Dead ass.
All right, bet. All right, there we go. Who y'all got?
We got Rule Crew and Hershey in the race. We hope the business get clear, but I want to see Rule Crew and Hershey get this
Okay.
animosity
You got
gone.
cake?
I don't care who wins.
Okay, he
I
got
hope they all
Rule
do good. Let's go.
What?
Okay.
Yeah, nigga, the f that pussy ass nigga will hat you up. Yeah. Hey, you see that bust your fucking ass, nigga? Tag Hash in that video. Tag Hash in that video. See, hey, Kate, talking all that shit, did I gap him?
Yo,
Hey, did I tell you? Did I tell you I gapped him? Hey, you know that day we were racing from the park?
Yeah.
I was on shoes, he was on stock. He walked away from me, didn't he?
Okay, yeah.
Both of us on 6 is what he got to say.
Okay,
Hey,
okay.
both of them 12 wise.
Okay.
What do you want to do?
Do something.
Hey, I'll whoop everything out this bitch.
No, man. Let me see some. Fuck that tie shine. Fuck that tie shine.
get drunk in motherfucker. And make sure y'all turn them post notifications on. Y'all can be notified when the video drop.
Watch it.
This time, wait, we can't close it off. We gotta get one more comment. Wait a minute, my boy gonna be rich as fuck. We gotta get one comment.
What I got to say?
What you gotta say?
Tell him give me a longer run.
No, we don't need no hair. Both of y'all on sexes. Both of y'all on sexes.
I'm on my grips. He on straight time. He on straight time. How that though? Okay, well look, let's go on 61. Tell him come to 61. Don't bullshit like that, man. Come to 61. Let's go right now.
Look at that wrist.
Let's go.
Look at that wrist.
Let's go. Look, let's go to 61 right now. It's been a stretch. I just told him give me a longer run. This right here ain't long enough. Then look, he got the wide open space. I got the cars on the side.
I don't give a fuck. What that mean?
Tell your brother come to 61. Be going to watch them race on 61.
Okay.
But y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share these videos, turn on y'all post notifications, and make sure y'all follow Gizzle Rollin for more content, y'all. Yes, it's real out there in that field. Cause Gizzle what? Gizzle